Have you ever felt like your WordPress navigation menu looks too small or maybe too cramped? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize your navigation menu size the easy way using WordPress's full site editor. So if your theme supports full site editing, you're in luck. This means you can tweak your menu size, spacing, and even the text style without touching a single line of code. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, then select Editor. This opens the full site editor where you can visually adjust your site's layout. Next, find your navigation block. It's usually in the header area. Click on it and you'll see the block settings appear on the right side of your screen. Now, look for the dimension section. Here's where the magic happens. You can increase or decrease padding and margin to control how much space surrounds your menu items. This instantly changes how large or compact your navigation looks. If you want to make the text itself bigger or smaller, open the typography settings. Adjust the font size until the menu matches your site's design perfectly. Once you're happy with the results, hit save and your customized navigation menu is live, just like that. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your site's navigation into something clean, balanced, and uniquely yours. If this helped you, consider checking out more WordPress tips to keep improving your site's look and functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.